Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. A quick look at the Bitcoin price action, and then I'm going to discuss about 12 altcoins that I'm holding right now. So right now, Bitcoin price is somewhere near 63,175. So we have a lot of support somewhere near 60,600, right? So we need to make sure Bitcoin not going to drop below this green line, which is 60,600. If it breaks below, we might come back down to this trend line, or we might break lower and probably come back down to 54 or towards 50 to 49 mark. There's a possibility it could happen. But as long as we are above 60,600, it's okay for Bitcoin price to come back here, retest, and go back up higher. That's all good. But if we breaks below, and then if we have the price gonna make a daily candle below this green line, things might look a bit bearish. But given that we already got as we expected, as I mentioned in my last video, we're expecting a 50 basis points cut. We already got that. And if that's the case, this weekend, there's a high chance Bitcoin might break this 65K, right, which is target resistance at the moment. So that's the first price we need to be at or break above to make things bullish right now. So we can see because of the rate cuts, things are looking a little bit bullish. And we've seen like altcoins, just a lot of altcoins start to pump like 20-30% overnight or so, but still be a little bit cautious, right? So we are not out of the woods yet. So if we see like by this weekend or by next week, if we see Bitcoin is above 65K and then probably consolidating above 65K, things are looking good. And then we have another resistance somewhere near 70,000, 69,993, and then 71,900, so around 72, and then around 73 to 74. So once we break these resistance lines, right, Bitcoin could head up towards like 80, 90K. We can see, if we are lucky, above 100K, right? So we have to wait and see. It'll take a bit of time, right? I'm talking about October to November sort of a time frame, right? I'm not expecting this to happen like so quick. By mid-October, we'll probably have a much better idea. So the first price we need to get Bitcoin is to get to is 65K and probably break it and stay above. Okay, so that's the Bitcoin price action. So let's have a quick look at the altcoins. So before I start, I just want to mention none of this is financial advice, right? Because these altcoins that I'm going to discuss, they are micro cap, right? Meaning their market cap is somewhere near less than 50 million, right? I think Palm AI has the biggest market cap. Anything else somewhere below 20 to 10 million market cap. So they're high risk, right? These coins might not pump at all. Like we don't know that. So do your due diligence. Like, this is not financial advice. Okay, so let's have a look at Palm AI first. So this is Palm AI. So this is as I mentioned earlier, AI tokens, gaming tokens, and also a deep in these sort of tokens, like, will pump in this bull market, right? So they're very popular at the moment. Everybody's talking about AI, deep in, and gaming tokens. So these sort of tokens will pump a lot higher. So I'm mainly focused on AI tokens, deep in, and also gaming, right? Okay, so let's look at Palm AI quickly. So as you can see, the market cap is about 30 million, 38 million. So market cap is not too big. And the coin supply is about 77 million. So there's not like a lot of tokens out there. So that could be a reason why this could pump so high. Like I've seen this pump to about like $2 or so, and then it dropped to like 27, 25 cents or something. And now it's back up at 50 cents. This is something that I'm holding right now. So that's Palm AI. And then total supply would be only 77 million, right? So there's not many tokens out there for you to buy, meaning when there's a lot of demand for this coin, the price could go up a lot quicker and a lot higher. And if you want to know the contract address, Ethereum contract address is right here. Okay, so let's move on to the next token, Sensei. Sensei is the next token. Okay, so SNSY. So Sensei is also AI token, right? It's really cheap at the moment, right? Look at my computer is a little bit slow at the moment. It's okay. I got so many tabs open. So anyways, yeah. So the total supply, there's about 10 billion. So there's so many, the market's max supply is huge, right? 10 billion market supply tokens, but circulating supply is about 3 billion. So there's not many tokens out there like for people to buy, meaning a lot of whales or founders, they are holding a lot of coins like on their wallet, right? So if you want to buy this from exchange, there's no many tokens out there. So the price could pump a lot higher. So that's also a good reason for us to invest in this coin. So the price is really cheap, right? This is also AI token. Market cap is somewhere near 4 million. So this is a micro cap. It's very risky, right? It might not do anything. So I'm not asking anyone to put like $1,000, $5,000 in this one, right? You can slowly start accumulating depending on the price action, right? So if you want to invest $1,000 on this token, you can just buy $500 worth right now and wait and see, like, because as I mentioned, if Bitcoin drops, these coins will drop a lot harder, right? But I already bought these coins and I'm holding. If the market goes down, I'm willing to add more to my portfolio. Okay, so that's the second AI token. And the next one is AIT protocol. So look at it, AIT. Yeah, this one also AI token, right? Price is not too expensive. It's about like 8 cents or so at the moment. And total supply, it's only 300 million, right? Which is really less compared to, like, those meme coins and things like that. And the circulating supply is 232. So most of the coins are out there, but this is a really good project. Like, I'm expecting this one to pump a lot higher, and the market cap is about 19 million. So it's a micro cap again. Yeah, and the next one would be EMC. EMC. Okay, so market cap is 3 million. So very small market cap, right? We don't know whether it's going to go up or anything, but it's a really good project, really good project. It's an AI token as well. Max token supply is about 1 billion tokens, right? And then the circulating supply is about 30 million. So there's 70 million tokens that are not on the exchanges. So that could be a reason why this could pump a lot higher. So that's another AI token. Next one is Spectre AI. Yeah, so this coin is very special, like, because of one reason. I know the price is a little bit expensive, like, compared to the coins that we looked at, but look at the max supply. There's only 10 million tokens available, right? And 9 million tokens are already out, right? 90% is already out. But market cap is 40 million. The good thing about these tokens, right? When people want to buy, when there's so much demand, like, we go into like a crazy bull all season also in the coming few months, there's not going to be much tokens available, like, on exchanges, because there's only 10 million tokens. The max supply is 10 million. That's all. Like, it's less than Bitcoin. Like, you can buy only 21 million. There's only 21 million worth of Bitcoin, but it's half of that. So that's why these tokens could pump a lot higher. I actually bought most of this token around like $1 or so. Now it's pumped like 55% or 50% or so, but I would love to add more. So if the market goes down, I'll keep on adding on to this token into my portfolio. Yeah, and next, look at the next one, Spectre AI, and the next one is Cubic. Yeah, so again, another AI token, right? So the price is really cheap, right? The reason being the max supply is about like 200 billion or so. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's about million, billions. Oh, it's about like trillions, right? So 200 trillion. So yeah, but that's why the price is so cheap, right? So 0.50 and 1883. This is also a token that I'm holding right now, and circulating supply is about like 112 trillion. So it's crazy. So there's so many coins out there, but still I'm expecting it's a good project, right? The founder is someone the founder of EOS back in the day in 2017. So these people won't start any project like that they could not make money. So I expect this even though the max supply, the token supply is so high, I still expect this coin to pump a lot higher. So those are the AI tokens. And also there's another token, it's not mentioned here, a gaming token, right? So it's called Neo Tokyo. So this is a gaming token. I forgot to add that in the list. So let's go, it's called Bytes. Yeah. So this is a pretty good project, like a really good project that I've invested, right? I bought some around like $2, around 250. I added most of these tokens coin around like $2 or so. See, the beautiful thing about this coin, like, I know the price is expensive, but look at that max supply or total supply. It's about 1.8 million, 1.88 million. That's all the tokens out there for us to buy. So when there's demand, this could go to like 100, 200, even 500 easily, because when you go out there to buy it, there's no many tokens on the exchanges, right? Because there's only very less token supply, 1.8 million. So this could pump a lot higher. So that's a gaming token. And also there's another gaming token I want to mention. I don't know whether it's still here. Let me have a look. It's called, yeah, it's called Pikamoon. It's a gaming token. So Neobyte is a gaming token, and Pikamoon is also a gaming token. But this is again a micro cap, very small market cap. The market cap is about 6 million, so it's very small. This could also pump the coming. There's a new project. There's about 49 billion tokens out there. There's only 17 out at the moment, only 40% out, 35% out. So the price is really cheap, looking cheap, right? Like, even though the token supply is high, but it's a gaming token. I'm expecting this one to pump a lot higher as well. Okay, next we go into finance. So this is some sort of a finance token. I discussed about this, like, maybe in my previous videos. It's called Prisma Finance. Prisma Finance. Yeah, so Prisma Finance, again, it's a finance token. This is something similar to Celsius we had back in the day, right? So the thing is, there's only 300 million tokens available, and most of these tokens are you can they have on their website, I forgot the word, you can reinvest, and then you probably get like an interest. So because of that, not many tokens are available on the exchanges. So that's because of that reason, this coin could pump. Like, there's a lot of demand. People go like to buy it on exchange. There's no many available. As you can see, only 15% circulating at the moment, right? Out of 300 million. So this is a finance token that you can invest. So it's I know we are mainly focused on AI deeping gaming, but this is also a coin that you can add to your portfolio. Okay, the next one is cross-chain wallet, TGT, or this token is something that I discussed in my videos, like, a long time ago, like probably a year or two. I'm still holding it. It's a cross-chain exchange sort of wallet, right? So Rune, founders of Rune, they came up. They are the founders of this token as well. The token supply is about 1 billion, I would say. Yeah, 1 billion token supply. Circulating supply is about like 635 million, right? So this could also pump. And look at the market cap, it's about like 17 million market cap. So these are micro cap tokens, as I mentioned earlier. So you can also add this one. You can buy this on MEXC. Most of the tokens that I discussed earlier, you can buy it on MEXC. And the next token would be Web3. Yeah, so these are Web3 tokens. We got Vera, INSP. Yeah, INSP. It's a cheap token, right? Only 2 cents at the moment. Only 1 billion market cap. Total max supply is 1 billion. Market cap is about like 3 million. Micro cap again, very cheap. In an all season, we can see this one pump a lot higher. And the next one is Vera. This is a Web3 token. Vera is also a Web3 token. It has come down a lot. Like I can show you the chart. It's down like 90%, 98, 99% or so. Yeah, market cap is about 232 million market cap. Market cap is a little bit high. Total supply is about like 10 million tokens, 10 billion tokens actually, right? So this is also a good project. Have a look at this. Let me go to chart. Yeah. So it used to be somewhere near like $17 or so. So 17 cents. So it has come down all the way from 17 cents and it kept on going down. So now it's really cheap at the moment. See, it's from all-time highs. It's down about like 87%. So I bought around like 2 cents. So at the time it was like 90% down. So when tokens, especially tokens are down about like 90%, are okay, like, to invest right now rather than you getting into a token that has pumped a lot. So that's Vera. That's a Web3 token again. And meme. So there's 2 meme tokens. The first one is Pepe, Red Pepe. They call it Red Pepe. There's a green Pepe. Like in that token has a billion market cap. It's too late to buy that one. That's already gone. But this one is really cheap. Like 420 trillion coins out there, max supply. So 98%, 8% of the coins out there. See, these are high risk tokens, right? You might make it, you might not, right? But the market cap is 65 million. That's the good thing about this token. So 65 million market cap. If you look at Pepe, the green Pepe, that the market cap of those meme tokens are around like a billion, over a billion. So even if this one pumped to like 500 million or 600 million or so, that's a 10x from here, right? So high risk, there's no, these are just meme tokens. You know what meme tokens are, right? It's just like, there's no project there's no reason for you to hold this for like 5 years and expect this price to go a lot higher. There's a pump and downs, right? People just let the coin pump so much and then all people who came are founders probably dump this coin and take their money and get out. So high risk, extremely high risk. So you got to be very careful with this sort of meme tokens, right? You can make a lot of money. The return is higher. The risk is higher as well. And lastly, this is something meme token I got to know yesterday. It's came out like a couple of days ago, maybe 2-3 days ago. I don't know whether it's here. It's called Mookie. Yeah, so this token is not here yet, right? Maybe on CoinGecko. If you look for CoinGecko, you might find it. Oh yeah, so yeah, it's not coming. It's here, right? It's Mookie / the wrapped ETH, right? So you're not going to be able to see much, but I can share their website, right? So this is their website. So it's again, this is the website. So you can just type in this one and then you can get here and then it tells you how to buy it. Like you can buy it on Uniswap. And I'm telling you, it's high risk, right? I'm not going to put more than like $100 to $500 in there. The maximum money I would put in here, like $500, right? Because it could go to zero, right? It could go to zero, or if you're lucky, it could like 1000x or 100x, like maybe 100x. If you're lucky, otherwise it could go to zero. So don't put too much money in these meme tokens, right? You can put a little bit of money, maybe like 5% of your portfolio. You can accumulate these tokens of your portfolio, 5% of your portfolio, no more than that. Don't put too much money on these tokens. As I mentioned earlier, not financial advice. Extremely high risk. Nobody's talking about. I've seen like one video. There's like one YouTube video that I've seen, like someone's talking about Mookie. But other than that, I haven't seen anyone talking about it. So as you know, there are millions, like there are probably 100, 200,000 or probably 500,000 worth of over 500,000 worth of meme coins out there. So we don't know which one's going to do well. So we have to keep trying new tokens like that. But if this one pumps, we can make a lot of money. Otherwise, we could lose everything that you put in, right? Even I bought some yesterday, and then from that moment, it dropped like 50%. So I just lost 50% of my money right now, but I'm still holding the coin. I'm not going to sell it. So if it comes a little bit more, goes low, I keep on adding. So it's very high risk. You could lose like 50, 70, 80, 90% like in a couple of days. So you got to be very careful with these tokens. So this is the website where you can buy it. It's called Mookie. Yeah. So I've discussed AI tokens. We looked at the Bitcoin price action and we discussed AI tokens, finance, cross-chain wallet, Web3, and 2 gaming tokens, Bytes and Pika, and 2 meme tokens. So we discuss, including BTC, we discuss about 15 tokens right now. So as I mentioned earlier, they are micro cap tokens. You got to be very careful, but make sure you're not going to put too much money in them. You can start accumulating these tokens. As I mentioned earlier, if Bitcoin drops below 60K, these coins will drop 70, 80%, right? So you probably could lose a lot of money if Bitcoin goes down. So we are still not out of the woods. we want to see Bitcoin above 65K, and then we are a little bit like we can buy this token with a little bit of assurance, thinking that Bitcoin will keep on going higher. So as long as Bitcoin keeps on going up, these tokens can pump like a lot, like, you might see 10x, 20x, 50x, even 100x gains from these tokens, right? But they are, do not forget, this is not financial advice. All these tokens are high risk and high return tokens, right? So you can lose all your money. Bitcoin, you can buy and hold it for like 10 years or so, but none of these coins, like, they'll probably here for a short while. As soon as they pump, the founders and whales will dump and take them profit and just walk away, and then that's the end of the token. Yeah, so that's the video for today. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you. See ya.